Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a tutorial for the classical Pilates mat exercise called leg pull front, or also called leg pull down. Let's get started. So this one is in the advanced classical order. It's normally performed after swimming. So you have a couple of options into getting into it. So if you're swimming, you're on your stomach, and normally after the extension, you'd press back to a child's pose. And from there, you can either go into your plank, or from swimming, if you don't want to do the child's pose, you can place your hands underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes under. My heels are together and toes apart. Scoop your belly in and up, and in one piece, you push up to your plank. Now, make sure the upper back isn't rounded. The ankles are over the heels. The pubic bone is pulling up to the belly button, and the tailbone lengthens to the heels. From here, keeping both feet down, rock your heels back, two-way stretch. The more my heels reach back, the crown of my head reaches forward. And forth. Stack the heels over the ankles. Right leg comes up. I press the left heel back, forth, center, and then switch sides. This one is not easy for me. I press back, forth, center, put that down. Now, I'm going to pause for a second to talk to you. You have two options for your transition into leg pull up or leg pull back. So there are a couple ways to get into the next exercise. From your plank, you can take the right hand over to the left hand, but invert that hand so it faces the other way. Try to keep the hips lifted as you lift the left arm up to the sky. And now we're facing the other way. I'm reaching my toes down to the mat. My heart is lifted up to the ceiling and my collarbones are wide. I'm going to pause for a second. You can do that, or from leg pull front, you can just come out of that and turn around if you don't want to do that fancy transition. Either way, the fingertips face the body, the hips are lifted, and from here, without dropping the hips, you lift the right leg up and you lift the left leg up. And if anything, the hips lift, but they definitely don't lower. To come down, you roll yourself down, and that is leg pull front and leg pull back, or leg pull up and leg pull down. So I hope that helps. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.